Hey guys, this is Red Dragon here. This is gonna be part 3 of that crazy bird. And we got everything set up. My mom's eating breakfast right now. So she's gonna be me for right now. There's my cat, and you can hear the bird out there. My cat's just playing around. If you can hear the bird out there, it's up there. We've got everything, like, we've got a sniper back there in the truck. Sniper Nerf gun. Right now, he just went over there because he knows I'm gonna try to shoot him. And I got a little minigun right here and just 2 pistol guns they're just for backup. So we're gonna try to, as soon as we get the bird, the series is gonna be over. Oh, no, it went away. My cat, the bird's been poking her. So we're gonna have to wait here until he comes back. There. Nothing really to do right now because my cat is with there. So, I'm gonna leave right here to go get ammo.
Get it?
Bye. Wait, is he going in the truck? I'm gonna go get some ammo and more glasses for my mom. Mom! Here, we need goggles. Like the bird.
Too hot right now. Too hot for me. And
Don't record me.
you actually need to go brush your teeth. Are you recording right now?
Mm-hmm. Everything's set up for now. I think we're gonna have to wait until it gets a little more dark. So it's more darker. So it's gonna be part 3. See it? Well, this series isn't gonna end until we capture the bird. So yeah, so it's gonna keep on going. So I guess see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.